Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, do I have some exciting news? This is a very good news actually. Um, so let's get into it, guys. Best way for me to kind of tell you about it is, they did a pretty good job. So this is from prepaidphonenews.com. So I was actually reading up on this, maybe like a couple days ago, and I did make a video talking about what would happen if Dish didn't buy Boost Mobile, and that Boost Mobile, what was going to happen to them, because T-Mobile was really thinking of buying or finding another buyer. So but now it's official. I know, it's going on for years that Dish Network was going to buy Boost, but it never went through, and blah blah blah, but finally went through, so it's official. Actually, starting today, July 1st, I believe, is when they bought it. So nice article. Like I said, check them out. But it says official. It's official. Dish Network now owns Boost Mobile, so T-Mobile doesn't own Boost Mobile anymore, and now it's actually finally bought by T-Mobile, which is good news, because that means that Boost Mobile will live on. It's not just going to be thrown into the wind and forgotten. So that's very good news. That's what I like to hear. It says, after a series of discussions with T-Mobile and Sprint, Dish has officially acquired the prepaid brand, true to its word. So remember, Dish did say that they were going to buy them, but it seemed like they either chickened out, or, with the whole pandemic, they weren't going to get it. But it's official now. It says the deal was officially made today, July 1st, even though that there were reports that T-Mobile was looking for another potential buyer. It looks like the two companies were able to reach a mutual beneficial decision. With Dish now owning Boost, it can start competing against Verizon, AT&T, and the new T-Mobile. So, like I said, it does have kind of big uphill battle, going up against the giants. But it's Dish Network; they're kind of big, with TV and all that stuff. So let's see how they do with cell phones. It says Dish intends to build its own 5G network over the next few years, so it can be a full-on competitor. So now remember that Dish does have access to the T-Mobile network. That was part of one of their agreements, which is great. This is good. They're not just going to start from scratch just yet. It gives them a couple of years, I believe 3 years, that they can use the T-Mobile network before they have to build their own network. So it says now that Boost Mobile is owned by Dish, the company has assigned COO John Schweringa to lead the prepaid brand. In line with the acquisition, Dish has relaunched the logo of Boost to include their own. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. That's the new Boost Mobile logo right there. So as you can see, that little thing in the middle, that's the satellite, basically. I don't know. That's the image to me. It's a satellite beaming down, which, of course, that symbol has to do with Dish Network. It says Boost Mobile was previously owned by Sprint after they acquired it from Nextel in 2004. Sprint was recently acquired by T-Mobile. I think that's a typo. And then shouldn't put a period and then but whatever. In order for the latter acquisition to be approved, there was a federal requirement to sell a prepaid brand. As part of its agreement with Dish, Sprint will be selling its Boost Mobile brand for $1.4 billion, which is a lot of money on, along with other prepaid assets. The agreement also include access to T-Mobile's network for a total of 7 years. Wow, never mind. I said 3 earlier. It's actually 7. Wow. So that's definitely going to give Dish Network a lot of time to build its network, but it does take, of course, a long time to build a network. It says so its subscribers can use the network while Dish builds its own 5G service. So what's saying is basically, like, say, it's not going to ditch Boost Mobile customers, and then they're not going to have any service. That's why they're rolling out the new expanded data network that lets you access the T-Mobile network, because you will be able to access it for 7 years. So basically, it's saying that Boost Mobile, aka Sprint, now is basically T-Mobile. You can use their service. Like I said, this is a part 1 of part 2. So part 2, I'll probably make it tomorrow. So I will release this video and you guys can watch it. So check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Is this good news? I think it's good news. Like I said, I'm happy that Boost Mobile's not going anywhere, that they're going to stay strong. Hopefully, Dish Network does build a 5G strong network, and it'll benefit everybody. So pretty cool. But yeah, guys, Dragonic Warfare signing off. If you want to support the channel, you can by downloading Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, T-Mobile, even, geez, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. So check that out. Thank you guys.